Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Next question from my beginnings chapter. She counted them regularly. This is a sentence from the lesson. Okay, so below these three questions will be asked, and if you answer all the three questions, you will get 3 marks. Okay, na? So, ಯಾವ question ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. We'll see the questions. First one, A, who is the speaker? She counted them regularly ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ಯಾರು? Kapil Dev is the speaker. So he tells about his mom, isn't it? Who is she here? See, next question. She ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು? She counted them regularly ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. She ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. She refers to neighboring lady. Okay, she counted them regularly. Is not his mom. So she refers to neighboring lady. Okay. What did she count regularly? She counted pomegranates regularly. So ಏನನ್ನ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? There were 92 pomegranates on the tree ಅಲ್ವಾ? So she counted them regularly. Okay. Thank you.